Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one logical question. The question is given: solve x square minus 3x plus 1 into x square plus 3x plus 2 into x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to minus 30. We have to find the value of x. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, if you see, here x square minus 3x plus 1, x square plus 3x plus 2, x square minus 9x plus 20. So here, here delta is less than 0. So here delta greater than 0, here also delta is greater than 0. So how to make them, how to solve them? So if you take the second one, x square plus 3x plus 2, you can write the factors x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. So you can write it as x into x plus 2 plus 1 into x plus 2. So this can be written as x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now if you take the next one, x square minus 9x plus 20, you can write it as x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 20. So here you can write x into x minus 5 minus 4 into x minus 5. This can be written as x minus 4 into x minus 5. So here our target is to make all the three values some common. So here x square plus 3x plus 2 into x square minus 9x plus 20. So here x plus 1 into x plus 2, x minus 4 into x minus 5. So our target you have to get x square minus 3x. So I am taking the first one, first one and third one, second one and fourth one. So if you multiply this like this, x plus 1 into x minus 4 into x plus 2 into x minus 5. So here you'll get a common part x square minus 4x plus x minus 4, x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 now. So here you'll get x square minus 3x minus 4, x square minus 3x minus 10. Now if you take combine this with first one, now we'll get a new one, new expression and new equation x square minus 3x plus 1 into x square minus 3x minus 4 into x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to minus 30. Now here in all the terms, so some common is there. So let x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to y. That implies x square minus 3x minus 4 will be y minus 5. And x square minus 3x here minus 10 is equal to y minus 11. So when you multiply this, so here y into y minus 5 into y minus 11 equal to plus 30 is equal to 0. So y into y square minus 11y minus 5y plus 55 plus 30 equal to 0. Y cube minus 16y square plus 55y plus 30 equal to 0. So here you'll get factors y minus 6 into y square minus 10y minus 5 equal to 0. That implies y equal to 6 or y square minus 10y minus 5 equal to 0. So here this is one value of y. So here if you use minus b plus or minus, you will get minus plus 10 plus or minus root of 120 by 2. So plus 10 plus or minus 2 root 30 by 2. So this can be written as 5 plus or minus root 30. So these are the values of y. If you take this is y1, this is value of y2 and y3. Now y1 is 6. Y1 value is 6. That implies substitute here x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 6. You will get x square minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So if you take y2 value 5 plus root 30, then you'll get x square minus 3x minus 4 minus root 30 equal to 0. Now if you take y3 value 5 minus root 30, so then the equation will be x square minus 3x minus 4 plus root 30 equal to 0. Okay, now if you solve this value, first one to get x value. So here 3 parts we are doing. First part x value 3 plus or minus root of, so b square 9 minus 4ac 4 into 1 into minus 5 by 2a 2 into 1 x equal to 3 plus or minus root of 29 by 2. This is one value of x. If you take second one, here you will get directly I am writing x is equal to 3 plus or minus root of, first we will find b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac will be 9 plus 4 into 4 plus root 30. So this will be 25 plus 4 root 30. So 3 plus or minus root 25 plus 4 root 30 by 2. Now if you take third one now, here this is third one now, their d value will be b square minus 4ac 9 plus 4 into 4 minus root 30. So here 25 minus 4 root 30. Now x value will be 3 plus or minus root of 25 minus 4 root 30 by 2. So total we got 6 values. Okay. All the roots are rational roots. So thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.